In this video, I'm going to introduce you to our classroom iLearn or learning management system. So it's kind of like a website where we can access resources and go to for collaboration. And I'm also going to show you how to get to that website and how to start using it. So this is it. This is our classroom website. It starts out with general resources, and that's where our picture. So anything under our picture is for everybody. So these resources are just general for every science department. And then if you go a little bit lower, this would be the section for the biology team. So this is where the bio team would share resources with one another or collaborate with one another. And I'll show you how to do that a little bit later. This is for the chemistry department, and this is for physics. But anything for just general science for all teachers, you would find that right over here. So in order to access this website, what you have to do, or in order to enroll in it, what you have to do is go to the Dearborn Schools website. And this is the only time you would have to do that. So you would only do this once and then you're all set. Then you would go to resources and you would click on for staff. Once you do that, you're going to go to iLearn and you're going to click on that. Now I'm already signed in, so you're not really going to see this. You're going to see something like this. So if you click on iLearn from the Dearborn Schools webpage, you're going to put in your username and you're going to put in your password. And that's the same data that you use to check your email, to sign into your computer, and even for MyStar this year. Once you log in, it's going to ask you for an enrollment key. Now, all the stuff is just done once. Once you do this, you don't have to do this again. So when it asks you for an enrollment key, so it's kind of like the one-time password for the site, you're going to put in ScienceTeam. No space, no capital letters, just those two words together, ScienceTeam, and then you're enrolled in the course. Now, when you click ScienceTeam, you're going to see this. So this is our website. So these are the different sections. That's basically the main page. And on the right over here, this is the course summary. These are our commitments. This is the calendar. So when I get a chance, I'm going to be uploading the different times that we're going to be meeting. So you can come here and look at when we're going to be meeting with our specific PLC team. It'll even tell you right under the calendar upcoming events. So it'll remind you a few days in advance. And if you want to get quick access to this, so instead of going to iLearn and going to my classes, because that's what basically you would do, you would go on iLearn, log in, and then choose my classes, and you would select this specific class, which is Fortson High School Science Team. And instead of doing that, what you can do is, if you're on your computer in the classroom, you can highlight this, the website, and then all you would do is you would drag it down, and that's what I did. I don't need two of these. So once you do that, once you drag it down, the next day when you come in, you can just click on this and then you're all set. You're there. I hope you found this short tutorial helpful. If you have any questions about how to get into the site or how to use the specific tools, please let me know. So far I have 3 different things. These are a few slides on scientific argumentation. So if you want to use some slides for claim, evidence, and reasoning, there are a couple slides for scaffolds for students using scientific discourse. So you can just go ahead and copy and paste some of these slides. This is a short video that I put together regarding beginning of the year routines, and I used the data that you guys gave me from the survey that I sent out last week, and a few of you were asking about beginning of the year routines. So I started with that since because I thought you would find it helpful than to do that a little bit later. So go ahead, use the classroom website, and let me know if you have any questions. And if you have questions for the team, what you can do is you can post it right here and we can all have a discussion. So I opened up a link for that. So you would click on discussion or question, and you would select add a new discussion. You would type in the title here. So if it's about scientific argumentation, That's probably what you would put in the title if your question is about those slides. If your question is about beginning of the year routines, that's what would go here. And then you would ask your question or write your thoughts down or anything that you're wondering about that would go in this box. So this is where your writing would go. And then you would click on post to forum. And once you click that, we'll be able to see it. And that's it. If you have any questions, you can go ahead and shoot me an email.